What is up, guys? What is up, guys? What is up, guys?
Yo, focus. Focus. Okay, what is up, guys? So I hope you guys are having a great day. It's night for me already. Before we start the video, let me eat real quick, and then I'll catch you guys up and tell you guys what we're gonna do. So we have a fun day planned though. So stay tuned, and we're gonna have a great day together. We have a special guest today. His name is Juan, and he is a little Peruvian young man. Right, and he came all the way from Peru, so give him a round of applause, guys.
Hola, mi nombre es Juan. Vivo en Downey. Estos son mis primos, los más feos. Aquí, voltea.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask him what's the difference between living here and Peru. So let's see what he says.
Aquí soy rico, pero soy pobre.
I'll put subtitles so you can read it.
Sure enough.
Alexander is only 15, and as soon as he got here, he got a tattoo of Peru. Look, watch this, guys. To get a tattoo, you need permission from your parents, obviously, right? You need to take your parents with you to get a tattoo, right? So he's gonna tell you what he did. He's gonna tell you.
So I went to Peru this time for vacations, and I just walked into the tattoo guy, and I just told him, "Can I get this?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure. But how old are you?" He was like, "Oh no, I'm part of the police course." And I was like, "Oh, okay, then you're fine. You should get it." And so because it's like a Peruvian sign, so he thought it was fine that I'll get it.
So he went to Peru without your mom, or was your mom there?
Yeah, she was there, but she left.
Okay, so he went to Peru to visit his family because he lives here now. So he went over there, and then his mom left back over here, and he stayed over there a little longer. So while she was gone, he took advantage and went, just like you guys heard. All right, that's our little interview with him.
No,
he doesn't.
let's do one for real.
We'll do a separate video interviewing him. He's really
Te
funny,
vamos a hacer
but
una
he only speaks
entrevista.
Spanish, like you guys
Porque eres bien
are seeing.
chistoso, bien ocurrente.
Oh my god. If you guys don't notice, I always do that. I burp like mid-sentence. I was like, I burp, and I try to play it off, but oh my god, dude. It's so embarrassing. I'm surprised you guys haven't commented about. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
Alright guys. So
Hi, guys.
Walking in.
So we just finished eating Denny's.
Big, what is up, guys?
He's gonna say my intro.
What is up, guys?
When your boy puts gas for you, it's the MVP right there. You're the MVP?
Huh?
You're the MVP?
Pipi? Yeah.
Alright, so I haven't told you guys what we're gonna do yet, but we're going to a car meet, guys. I don't know if there's gonna be racing. I've never gone to the car meet in Anaheim, but it should be fun, you know, it's always fun. Right? Right? Is it fun?
It's fine.
You like booty?
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's been a while since I've done something car related, but I enjoy that, and I know most of you guys don't, but half of you guys do. So I feel good going to like car meets, guys. I know you guys will enjoy it. And I literally just detailed my car today. It looks amazing, guys. Watch. Super shiny. You're never gonna get that. Look at that. Oh my god. Nope, don't look at that. Damn. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my car because I did it myself. So give me a thumbs up for that, guys. I know you guys support me always, giving me the big thumbs up, and I enjoy that. And it makes me happy. Every time I see a lot of thumbs up on my videos, I don't know, it just makes me feel good. People are actually watching, people are actually liking it. So thank you guys for doing that. All right, so let's head out, and once we get there, I'll wake you guys up. See you guys in a bit.
It doesn't make us strong, it doesn't make us weak. Tongue tied to service like shy preteens. I could only breathe. Have to believe I'm alone. Wait, they give you my heart.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, we're at the meet already. So we got the first spot, so let's go to the spot and let's check it out. We made it, we found them guys. Check this out.
New donut!
So you guys saw that the cops came, we had to leave. So I guess we're kind of regrouping. And while I'm here, I'm gonna try to show you guys some cars. So I'll catch up with you guys right now, and you're about to see a car for some probably sexy car that I like. So ready? Look at it. When something starts happening, everybody runs towards it, guys. Look. Look. Can't see shit. I can't see anything, guys. I can't see anything. Mom. Mom.
This is overheated, no? Way overheated. She's gonna.
It looks bad, but it's not that bad.
Hey, you guys gotta be careful. Don't be stupid, all right? Be
Guys, so we did call it a night early. Well, it wasn't early. It's like everything was dead. With the last spot we went to, we thought they were gonna drag race, but they didn't. So yeah, it was still a good day though. I know you guys liked the video, enjoyed the video, so make sure to like the freaking video. You like this shit. All right, so if it's your first time on my channel, make sure to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy my content, and I hope you're here to stay. And yeah, for the people who've always been watching my videos, thank you guys for watching. And like I said, just like it. Go like that shit for me, and comment down below if I should keep making videos like this, and if you're enjoying this content. If not, I'll go back to, you know, well, I'm still gonna do both, either way. But let me know if you like it, so I can do these more often. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. Have a great day, guys, and let's see, stay righteous, guys. Wait, before I end it, make sure to click all these end annotations, go to my channel, subscribe to this button right here, or wherever it's gonna be at. And then these are my videos that I've made in the past, so go watch them. Hopefully you guys enjoy them and like them as well. All right, now stay righteous, guys.